Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Griddling. Tonight we're doing stir fry. So, we've got stir fry kit. Oh, teriyaki sauce included. I didn't notice that. Um, I haven't tried this. See what it does. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the teriyaki kit or not. But there's all kinds of yummy veggies. I'll go ahead and put them on just to get them started. I guess I could go ahead and use the sauce since they sent it. What's this even say? He added a tablespoon of granola. Not granola. Add vegetables. Reduce heat to low. Add teriyaki sauce. Yeah, we don't need no stinking directions. So that's our veggie blend. I went ahead and put it on because some things like carrots can take a while. We also have Trader Joe's seafood blend. Now, my lovely assistant will eat the shrimp and leave me the scallops and calamari greens. I already know that going in. So I'll have to leave the shrimp for her so she'll have something to eat. I've got this set to medium. Hello, lovely assistant.
Hello.
So, we got our meat, we got our other stuff. What do we, oh, you know what? We need some pepper if we want to have something yummy. So let's dump some peppers on too. Probably didn't need that much, but now we got them. Wow, that seafood cooks up quick. You know what else it probably needs? It probably needs some garlic. So let's add some garlic, shall we? Can't have enough garlic, or too much garlic, or too much of enough, or something. This is canned garlic. I know. Don't kick me out of the International Chef Society. What's that, Baja? It's always dicey. That was a pun. When you mix frozen foods with fresh foods, it's a chance I'm willing to take. Baja ball. So, I got all this cooking, defrosting, burning, I don't know. Hopefully it's all just cooking at the same time instead of some defrosting and some burning and some cooking. But we'll find out, won't we? I got my hoisin, I got my soy. Let's go ahead and soy this up a little. Not too much because it's salty. And what do you think? Is it time for noodles? I cooked up some egg noodles, which I found work really well on the stir fry. The bag is a cheapy bag that came with no instructions, and you're supposed to know what you're doing, and everyone knows I don't have a clue what I'm doing. So it was risky, but I went ahead and boiled them for a couple minutes, and let's dump them on there. What do you say, Baja? A lot of liquid coming out of the seafood, I noticed, which is interesting. Okay, let's dump some teriyaki sauce on, whatever it happens to taste like. Is there a place to open it? Am I on my own? No, there's a place to open it. So we'll just pour this around in random spots. What's that, Baja? Your tennis ball? Well, what'd you do with it? One thing I've definitely noticed is noodles are a pain in the butt to clean off of your griddle top when you're doing stir fry, or at least these egg noodles. I'd like to have some baby corn to toss in here, but I don't, so we'll make do. We also like water chestnuts, of which we have 0 at the moment, but you take what life gives you. Speaking of which, the meaning of life by Monty Python. Fun movie. Haven't seen it in years. I'm gonna add some hoisin sauce because the teriyaki was kind of weak. And we'll fry that up. Da, 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 da. If you hear honking, that's our, the neighborhood has a flock of 30 peacocks. And that's just them doing their nightly patrol. They really are good for security of the neighborhood. So we got that stirred in. And last but not least, it's not a good stir fry unless you add a little bit of sesame oil at the end, just as a finishing sauce, a finishing something. Didn't mean to pour it, I meant to splash it, but close enough. So there we go. We have us a late night seafood stir fry. So thanks for watching, and that's a wrap, y'all. Have a good night. Bye.